Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. This is Ezekiel Akimola speaking. So let me talk about the current issue I noticed, and I was able to resolve the issue. And I know some of you might be going through that same issue or are actually going through that issue. And the truth is that if you've not gone through an issue, to get a solution for it might be difficult. So the first thing I noticed is that a client reached out to me and told me that the registration code is bringing up another company. I don't know if you understand. So let's say the registration code of the company is, that's the RC number, is 12345, right? And now they went for to create team for the company, and when they inserted the number, it was bringing up another company on the search.cc.gov.ng, that has been changed to ICRP anyway. But you understand what I'm trying to say, so that the company details is showing up differently depending on whatever the RC number that is put on it, right? So if you put the RC number, you're supposed to get that same company, but in this case you are not getting that as the situation. So the question is now, how do you solve it? So when the client reached out to me, I thought of it that, okay, do I need to start contacting CAC and start sending messages to them? I checked, I decided to, okay, go and re-download the certificate, right? That's the document. I searched on the portal as well to confirm what they have said, because I didn't know that the TIN number was different. So the RC number rather was different. So I had to go and confirm on the search portal if the RC number was different, was showing up something different. Yes, it was actually showing up something different. So after that, what I did was that I said to do as if I want to go and re-download the certificate. After I re-downloaded the certificate, I noticed that it was bringing up a different RC number right now from the RC number that is on the company before now. So you can see that this is a major conflict or a major issue. A lot of people don't know this, right? And that's why I'm bringing it out there right now. So if your client or you yourself are having any issue on any registration you are doing or you have done in the past, and right now it's telling you that, oh, this number you're having is reflecting, it's not even showing up your company. One of the issues we used to have before is that, okay, an RC number and a BN number, the same might be the same, and they'll be showing up this different companies, right? So but you know that this one is registered company and this one is business name registration. I believe you understand. So these two issues might not really be major before, but right now that's not the issue. You would have an RC or a BN number on a particular company, and when you insert it for search, and when all these other affiliate bodies use them, like TIN, JTB, FRS TIN uses them, they pop up other companies which is different from the actual company you are trying to register. So the solution is that you go and re-download that particular certificate. There's a kind of revalidation that is being done right now, and that revalidation allows for a new BN number or registration number or whatever the case is to be regenerated for this company, despite the fact that there was a registration code or a business name number on it before. Right now, when you re-download the certificate, to come up with a different thing. So you re-download the certificate, re-download the status report, and you would see that the number will be different. So if you're having these issues, please go and check. And those of you that are not even having this issue, go and re-download your certificates, right? If it start bringing up payment that you have to repay, please pay because it's going to worth it, right? So repay, and then, but right now that's not the case. So whatever you do, re-download the certificate. Once you download the certificate, then you would check the number if it's the same. Another thing you can also do is to carry out the view what's it called now, for your TIN number. TIN number should be on your certificate right now. I think that's the basic criteria. So if you don't have TIN number showing on your certificate, go down to your action button on your registration part of the dashboard, and then click on the generate TIN, so that generate TIN, and then you can view and then re-download that particular certificate carrying your TIN. So I think that's more legit compared to other documents. My name is Akimola. I hope this video has helped you. If it has, please subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.